Yo, it's your boy Phil, student from Iconic, now somewhat higher level student. But just want to go over the trade I took today on NVAX. We had a lot of movers today. GMPX was one of them. A lot of volume was in the market today. So it was easy to get caught up in some stuff. Cause anything can happen in this market we're in. You just want to be cautious and make sure your plan is exactly what it was. Um, so on NVAX, I was looking for the top 1088, 1087 area. That's where a lot of consolidation is at, plus all this volume. You can add all that volume up. Personally, I just took an estimate and said like 10 million, a little bit above maybe. And going off the daily chart, I'm looking for it to come down. And that's ultimately what it did. It had $250 million of shelves. So I don't let that be a bias to short, but it was a strong factor in my short. Which, let's break it down. Let's get into why we took this trade. So let's say is pre-market resistance right here. I'm willing to scale up into this area because this is where I saw the daily resistance. So I'm willing to scale up to that area, but if it shows that it won't get up there, I will put size in where it shows it won't get up to that area. But then we have a support level where it kind of consolidated that, but like stayed there for like a second. So a little support right here due to this area. Let's get a little fancy with it. Oh, okay, I'm new with the circle. Just bear with me. Ooh, okay, there we go. So, little area right here. That's why we got support. So, when I came to the market, I saw that it was peaking out right here. So pre-market high. It's pre-market high right here. So that's the level I'm going off of now. I'm going off this level, and if it fails, I'm willing to let myself get squeezed. So what happened was I took a starter right here, not in big enough size, but I'm in some. I mean, I'm in some to actually like put some skin in the game. That's what I like to say. I'm in some to put some skin in the game. Build support right here at this 9 level. So build support. Don't worry about that. That didn't happen on my chart at all. I don't know why it's glitched out like that. But then I was willing to let myself get squeezed. This is why I started with a starter. Because it can either fail and come back, I'll get in full position when it retest this. And if it retests and it shows it can't break, I'm getting in full size. Or I'm willing to let myself get squeezed because the stock is not supposed to be up anyway, or it has supply up here. So let's draw. It has supply up here. So I initially know it has supply up here. It got 10 million in total from previous on a daily, and it has 250 million on shelves and they filings. So I'm willing to let myself get squeezed because I know there's supply. Now, if there was, say, for example, if there was 1 million dilution and the stock had very positive news and you see a bunch of attention, I'll probably long this instead. It's a reason for me to long. But there's too much supply to get caught up in longing this right here. I mean, you could long right here and take profits at higher day, but it's too much supply for me. So, me personally, I like little dilution to make me long. So when it ran up, it runs up. I added my position right here. I added. So I'm in like not full size, half size, because I'm willing to let it. I'm thinking that it's gonna give me at least up here in this area. So I'm not in full size. I'm in half, thinking that it could give me up here. It's initially wash. I don't know why I didn't add, because on the wash, something I'm still working on, but in half position, it initially falls. I cover right here because it breaks this line of support. I cover half right here. Breaks this line of support. I want to lock some in, and then it goes back down. I lock some in the 20s. So I lock some more in the 20s. So right here on this channel, this is where I lock some more. So I covered more because I had class to go to. But overall, this was a good trade for me. Made a point in 21 cents overall. So the good of this trade, I stuck to my plan and didn't deviate from the process. And now it's running. So this is gonna be, we're gonna talk about the tomorrow and what we want to see. So I'm gonna plan my process and identify my bread and butter play. Ooh. I let my winners run. So that was a pretty good trade, being that I struggled with letting my winners run overall. That's good. Let's go over the bad. Bad, with I would say I should have added on the downticks. It's a working process. It's a working process. Should have added on downticks, like in this area up here. Should have added. It would have gave me the same average as I did have. But I would have been in more size, which is good on my bread and butter. Should have added. What else? And could have let it run a little bit more, I say. And that's about really it for this one. I will be sizing up again next month. And takeaways would be add on down to add when it's confirmed. Add, even if it's on the down to add. Then I keep doing that. Add when it confirms. and don't be scared to hold when you're winning. Or don't be scared to let some run. So overall, that's about it. Pretty good day trading overall, I say, for being that it's the first day of the week. But let's go over what we're going to see tomorrow, what we want to see tomorrow. Well, since this hold held key level, this is the key level to watch for tomorrow. Is running in the day. Still want to look at this. So tomorrow, I think it can either, if it keeps running up to here, I want to see a gap, like a little down, come back up, and give us some type of meat to look forward to tomorrow. Like it did almost 50 million volume today, so it's a lot of people in these areas who are looking to get out or looking to take profit. So I'm looking for a short tomorrow. I'll probably short it again. But keep my eyes open for what's happening overall. What the line chart tells me to take. This thing can definitely just rip to the upside back to like 12, 13. But this stock was never up here. That reverse split, it was never up here. But that's about it, man. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram if you want to join Iconic. And I mean, I'm a friendly guy, even though I don't look like it. I'm still a friendly guy. I like to talk about stocks in general, but don't be scared to reach out. And let's kill it for the rest of the week. Let's own the market for a little bit and don't get overconfident. All right, y'all. Peace.